called brave. What is brave?
Let me demonstrate. Now, some men are afraid of girls. Well, that's silly. Girls can't hurt you. A brave man just sweeps the female right off her feet. Nothing to it. Some men are afraid of men. No red-blooded American boy should be afraid of men. Be bold, be firm, and above all, be sure-footed. Some men are afraid of ghosts. That's kid stuff.
Do haunted houses scare you?
They're mortar, stone, and wood.
Well, good, because you're going to spend the murder night in the Simmons house alone.
Some men are afraid of their shadows. Some shadows are afraid of their men. So what is brave? How should I know? I'm chicken.
Just who do you think you are? A little pipsqueak like you fighting us in court? Just who do you think you are?
Drop dead, that's who.
All right, Luther, now just calm down.
Calm! Calm! Do murder and calm go together? Calm and murder?
He'd started as a roving reporter with murder on his beat. Now he's a raving reporter as he tries to solve the mystery of the secret passage, the blood-dripping portrait, the ghostly organist.
And you're chicken if you missed this movie.